फोर्थ ए बी ना बोलती थी.
Good morning, students. Good morning, each and everyone. Can anyone tell me what was the previous topic I have taught you in the class? What was the previous topic I have taught you in the class? Come on, quickly, you have to drop a message in the chat box. Yes? Yes, I have taught you bucket. Yes, I have taught you the bucket. Bucket shading I have taught you, yes, with pencil shading, and one more was the coloring. So I hope each and everyone have done it. So in this class, we are going to do a craft topic. So we are going to make a snake. Okay, so we are going to make a snake. So today you're going to learn how to make a snake with chain technique. Okay, so let's begin with this. So for that, what you need is you need one single color craft paper. You can take green color or yellow color you want. So here I don't have green, so here I have taken a pink color. So what we have to do, the size of this pink color strip is, the long should be 15 centimeter and the width should be 3 centimeter. Okay, the height of the strip should be 15 centimeter and the width of the strip should be 3 centimeter. So ये आपको कितना आपको 20 लगेंगे. ठीक है, you need 20 strips of this and you need two strips in this way. The size of the strip is 12 centimeter by 6 centimeter. Yes, 12 by 6. Here you need two papers in this way. Is that clear, each and every one? So now let's begin with this. So this was the material. We need 20 strips in this way and two strips of this size. For sticking this, you can use Fevicol. And so now let's begin with this. So I'm just turning the camera. Just look at this. I hope each and everyone can see this. Okay, these are the 20 strips and these are the two strips. So before starting with this, what you have to do is you have to take, you have to take the colors. Okay, you have to take the color in this way, and what you have to do is you have to make some designs on the strips. Okay, so it's on you, whatever design you want you can make it. Okay, so for that we need watercolor. So first you can use watercolor, you can use poster color. Okay, whatever colors you want you can use this. So this way I'm using this. Just take this. Okay, here I've taken my watercolors with me. Yes, and I've taken the brush. So what we are going to do, you can make your own patterns, you can make your own designs in each and every strip. Okay, you have to make each and every same designs on the same strips. Okay, in every strips you have to make the same design. So here I have got my water. So now let's start with this. So you can use if you if you want, you can use marker also. Okay, the marker will be easier for you and it will be quick. Okay, so here I'm using a marker in this way. Just look at this. So in this strips, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make dots. Just look at this. This way you want to make the dots. You can use your own creative ideas. Okay, here we don't have much time, so here I'm drawing some dots over here. Okay, so this way you're going to do it. You can create more designs in this. Okay, you can create your own designs and you can do it. Okay, these are the 10 strips I have got here. can make some other pattern also. Okay, you can make any another design you want, you can make it on all the 20 strips. Okay, I hope each and everyone is getting this, how to do it. Just look at this. Yes, this way you're going to do it. On 10 strips you can do the same pattern, and on the other 10 strips you can use another design. Okay, you can use any another color also. Okay, so here I have completed all the 10 strips. Now I'm taking the another 10. Okay, here I'm taking another 10, and now I'm going to change the color. So here I'm going to take a black color. Just look at this. Just look at this. This is the way how you're going to do it. You can use your own designs and you can do it. ये जल्दी होने के लिए मैं आपको करके दिखा रहा हूँ इस तरह. Okay, you can make any another design also. If you want, you can cut any another color craft paper and you can design on this. Okay, you can make any another design on this. Like this. Okay, so this way you're going to color it. Okay, इस तरह आपको strips cut करने हैं और इस तरह आपको design बनाना है on the strips. After making the design, after completing the design, we are going to stick all those things and we are going to make a chain of this. Okay, हम लोग एक chain बनाएंगे. I am going to teach you how to make a chain. I hope each and everyone knows how to make a chain. It's very easy and it's very simple. So ये जो हम लोग design बना रहे, this with this we are going to make the body of the snake. Yes, now I'm on the last strip now. Just look at this. Yes, so this way we have completed with all the 20 strips. So now what we are going to do, now it's very important. Now what you are going to do is, first we are going to take orange one. We are going to go alternative. Orange color जो strips है, orange dot वाले पहले लेना है, and you just have to roll it in this way. Yes, इस तरह आपको roll करना है. Then take a black one. इसको इसके अंदर डालो and apply the Fevicol on this part and just stick it. Yes, आपका जो sticking है वो same होना चाहिए. Okay, फिर black हो गया. Then I'm taking a orange one. इस तरह इसको अंदर डालना है. Take the Fevicol, apply the Fevicol on this part and just same इस तरह आपको करते जाना है. Okay, just look at this. Okay, इस तरह आपको बनाते जाना है. ये देखो इस तरह आपको बनाते जाना है. I hope each and everyone is getting this, how to do it. Just look at this. Just look at this. This is the way how you're going to stick this. For doing it quick, you can use a stapler also if you want. Okay, so this is how we are doing it. Just look at this. This is how you're going to do it. This is how you're going to do it. Yes, just look at this chain. This is how you're going to do it. At the end, what you can do is when you're going to the tail part, you can just make it smaller. Okay, थोड़ा छोटा छोटा करते जा सकते हो. Okay, so this is our last strip. Applying the Fevicol on this part and just pasting it properly. Just look at this. Just have a look. So here we have made the chain. Just look at this. Now what we are going to do, इसको हम लोग side में रख देंगे and we are going to take this strip over here. What you can do is you can take a pencil. Okay, you can take a pencil or I'm doing directly. So here I'm taking my pencil or marker you can take, and you can just make a snake, the face of the snake. Just wait a minute. Just wait a minute. Just wait a minute. Uh, yes, you can do it. Yes, you can do. Who is this Kapil? You can do it. Okay, you can do. No issues. Okay, if you want, you can do it. Okay, so this is how I'm here. I've made the face of the snake. Just look at this. Now I'm going to draw the eyes. Okay, you can color it in this way. After making the face, you can make the tongue of the snake in this way. Okay, you can make the tongue of the snake in this way. And what you can do is you can add a pattern. This way you can color the eyes. Okay, so this way you can do it. If you want, you can add some patterns in this. Okay, you can add some patterns. You can add some patterns in this way. It's optional. If you want, you can do it. Yes, this way you can add the patterns. Yes, after doing the pattern, what you can do, you can take a scissor, or you have to just cut it out. Okay, take a scissor and just cut the shape of the snake. This way you can cut the shape of the face. Yes, this way you can cut the shape of the snake, and you can just paste it over here in this way. Okay, so for pasting here I'm applying the Fevicol, and you just have to paste it over here in this way. Yes, just look at this. This is how we have made the face of the snake. And as I have told you, here we need one more. So for this, in this, what we are going to do, we are going to make the tail. Yes, in this we are going to make the tail. So for making the tail here, I'm taking a black color first. I'm going to give the add the tail shape design over here in this. This way you're going to add the shape of the tail and giving the same pattern over here how we have given in the face. So same pattern I'm drawing over here in this way. Okay, so this is how you're going to do it. After making the shape of the tail, you can take this and you can just cut it out. Yes, this way we have cut the tail, and we are going to paste the tail over here in this one, in this way. So this is the top part. So we are going to apply the Fevicol over here in this way. And here we are going to apply the tail. So this way our snake is ready. Just look at this. I'll just show you. Just have a look. Yes, just have a look at the snake. Yes, this is the snake which we have done. Just look at this. I hope it is visible to each of you. Just look at this. This is the snake which we have done. Yes. So this is the chain pattern which we have done, and how to make a snake in this way. Just look at this. Is that clear, each and everyone? So this is how we have made the snake. I'll just show you how to do it, how to keep it. So you get the idea how to do this. Yes, so I have kept it. Just have a look. Yes, you can use another color also. Okay, for making the paper. You can make it in another shape also. Yes, so just look at this. So this is the snake which we have made. Just look at this. This is the tail and this is the face. Yes. So just look at this. This is how we are going to do it. Yes. I hope each and everyone is clear with